Hi, I'm Chip and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to talk about the entire Whisper Series line of blowers from RYOBI. Now we call it the Whisper Series because these are incredibly quiet. These are great options if you live in an area where there might be a neighborhood noise ordinance, or if you're like me and just like to work in a little bit of peace and quiet. Now all of these units feature brushless motors. What that means is it gives you enhanced performance and runtime. Let's start with the first unit. This is the 18-volt 1 Plus 410 CFM jet fan blower. This is going to be a great option for blowing grass clippings and leaves. Coming in at only 54 decibels, it pushes out at 110 miles per hour. It also features a turbo button for that little extra kick, which we all love. All right, next up we've got the 40-volt 550 CFM jet fan blower. This one's gonna have that gas-like power with the 40-volt platform. It's gonna push through heavier wet leaves and debris. At only 59 decibels, this blower still pushes 125 miles per hour. Again, we also feature the turbo button here on this model as well. All right, next up, this is an amazing machine here. We've got the 40-volt HP 730 CFM jet fan blower. This is gonna be the model that you need for pushing around those heaviest of mulches. Oftentimes they get impacted, it gets rained on, it sticks together. This is gonna be the machine that gets the job done. We feature the turbo button, but we also feature the cruise control knob, which allows you to take your hand off the trigger and reduce hand fatigue. A great unit. Now, if you want to get the blower on your back for maximum comfort, look no further than the 40-volt 625 CFM backpack blower. This also is going to power through all of that heavy mulch and debris. Again, all of these units, super quiet, great runtime, no gas needed. The Whisper Series line of blowers from RYOBI are gonna get the job done. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Tuesday Tips. Now, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, product announcements, DIY projects, and more. Also, leave us a comment. Let us know what you'd like to see in the next video. We'll see you next episode.